day. I'm gonna maybe go buy a new drill today. I got these things worn right out. What I want to do is, there's a little bit of scale left on, right in just in that little seam there, a little bit of scale. Miles will take it off or get the bases of it off. A little bit of scale up in there I couldn't get with a flap wheel, so I'll just hit that in down there, that in here, run it along this line, over, done. That's no big deal, just want to not really getting in there that well, but that's okay. I'll tell you why it's okay, because it's down inside there, not coming out. Just want the scaly stuff off is what I want, just the scaly stuff. That's it for that. Alrighty, now, just knocking off the dirt. Knocking off the dirt, a few places where she got the chrome is sticking up on, just got it in my hand. Stuff is sharp, gotta be careful. I'm not gonna rub my hand over because I know it's a losing battle. I'm gonna tuck this in here. It's a losing battle because I'll have a piece of my hand, no doubt in my mind. I should have a rag real quick, just to wipe it off. Look at that, I got one right there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Napa bring me some rags. Left and right by the doorway, perfect. Perfect. Just gonna scrub that off. So more or less you're just cleaning the old excess chrome off, get it as smooth as possible. Just gonna put a little bit of primer on it, just a one step, just a gray and a spray bomb. There's no necessary need to get the gun rolling and mix that up and take your time, no need of it. I don't think there is, no need whatsoever. Just gonna prime it to make the paint adhere better. So basically I'm doing the same thing as you do on a vinyl top. On a vinyl top, you wouldn't want to just put your vinyl top down over your car on your roof without painting it. You want to paint your roof and then put your vinyl roof on. You wouldn't want to just prime it and put your roof on, you know what I mean? Paint it like you would normally on a car, then put your vinyl roof on.